5. I'm so glad you're here. We made it. All right. This week we're going to be doing a lot of reflection and continuing to talk about how to revise and implement feedback so that it enhances your messaging, etc. You've worked hard to get here, so let's have a great week and push hard to get through it all with flying colors. All right, to get started this week, I want you to reflect on your progress as a writer so far. We have lots of readings in our learning activities, so read those readings. There's a video to watch, several videos to watch actually, and then we'll have our normal discussion. Remember, you'll need to post a post of 175 words and 2 follow-up posts of 75 words, and then we'll have a final summative assessment. Let's look at those a little bit more in detail. To get started, we'll cruise down to our discussion. And in discussion, first we'll have you reflect on your growth in that 175 word response. And questions that you'll answer are, how has your approach to writing changed during the course? What strategy, mindset, or tool helped you the most? Also, consider your challenges and breakthroughs. What's one writing challenge you ran into, and how did you work through it? Where was there a turning point that helped everything begin to click? And then finally, plan for how you're going to use the skills you've gained in this course going forward. Remember, your initial response should be 175 words, and it's due on Thursday. Your 2 follow-up responses need to be posted by in 75 words and be posted by Monday. Then we'll have our journal entry, as you always do. So please post that and wait for feedback from me. And then our week 5 summative assessment is reflecting on your decision making in your communication. So basically with this assignment, I've whipped up a little template here for you. I'll have you open up a new clean Word document, and then you will choose an assignment from weeks 1 through 3. So only weeks 1 through 3 can be used for this assignment. And then I'll have you put the original passage right on top, and then basically you're going to work on revising that assignment below. Okay, you're going to focus on big picture improvements. You'll plan for the changes, and the changes to help you go through which changes you want to prepare to make. There are many feedback questions here and review questions for you to use to get you geared towards making those revisions appropriately. And so once you have your plan in place, you'll go back and you'll incorporate those various revisions. I want you enhancing clarity and organization. Basically, ask yourself, is my writing structured logically? I want you refining your audience awareness and rhetorical choices. Do the rhetorical choices you are using fit the audience and your purpose? And I want you to strengthen your writing voice. I want it to feel confident, focused, engaged. Okay. And then for the second, and that should be written in a minimum of 350 to 700 words. Okay. And then there's a second portion of the assignment, and that's basically a reflection on the entire course. So this is a reflection memo, and it should be written in a minimum of 350 words. And you'll answer the following questions. What feedback stood out most throughout the course? What specific changes did you make and why? How did those changes improve your writing? How have you grown as a writer during this course? And how will you apply these writing and revision skills in future courses or your career? Okay. So be thinking about the various skills you've learned and how you're going to take those forward with you. If you have any questions about anything, please just let me know. I know that I'm rooting for you and can't wait to see you finish strong. All right, take care out there. Bye-bye.